One reason why some people experience knee pain with lunging is that their lead leg is bent too much. So when the lead leg is bent too much, there can be more compression in between the kneecap and the leg. One way we can alleviate the knee pain with the lunge is we can simply just take a larger step. So this way when we lunge, our lead leg will be bent to 90 degrees. Another option is to do a reverse lunge. So this way when we step back, we can keep our shin vertical, which will again keep that knee bent to about 90 degrees.